So in our last video we have completed the standard representation of the state variable method. Now today's lecture we will cover controllability and observability. So first, what is controllability? It defines that all the state variables are input dependent, and by applying appropriate we can obtain any desirable output of the system. Now matter is how we can controllability, how we can find a system is controllable or not. First, the symbol is used to find the controllability of a system. It's QC, determinant of QC. C for controllability. So the formula is that QC, determinant of QC equal to B, AB, A square B, A to the power n minus 1 into B. We all know what is A, what is B. As I have already discussed in a last video, standard representation, where I have shown what is A, what is B, everything I have shown. So in this formula, A square B, A to the power n minus B into 1. Now if state variable is 2, then we can find the controllability by applying only for 2 digits, 2 positions, like B, AB. If it is 3, then we go to the A square B. Now if we will find the determinant of this system, if it becomes 0, then the system is uncontrollable. Means controllability is not available in that system. But if QC is not equal to 0, then the system becomes controllable and controllability defines. Now it's difficult to understand, so let's have an example. It is a question asked in GATE examination, I think in the year 2016. Let's see what he's asking. The state variable description of the open LTI system is given below. We have a system like this, and we have to find the output and the input if the system is controllable. If system is controllable, then what kind of situation we get? We have 4 options: A, B, C and D. So here, when we compare these equations with the standard representation of the state variable method, we will get A, this, B, this, and to find the controllability we only matter what is A, what is B according to the formula. So when we compare these when we compare these equations with the standard equation A, X, B, U, C, X, when we compare these with this, we get a matrix A and the matrix B. So here is the state variable is 3. So we will find the controllability at the end A square B, and it should not be equal to 0 because the system is controllable. We only find the condition for that. So firstly we have A, we have B, then we will find A, B. So A matrix is 0, A1, 0, 0, 0, A2, A3, 0, 0, and the B matrix is 0, 0, 1. I hope all you know how to product a 2 matrix. So here is the row, here is the column. First 0 into 0, 0, A1 into 0, 0, 0 into 1, 0, 0 into 0, 0, 0 into 0, 0, A2 into 1, A2, A3, 0, 0 into 0, 0, 0 into 0, 0. So this equation, this matrix becomes 0, A2, 0. This is a AB matrix. Similarly, we will find A square B. So we can write A square B as A into AB. AB already we know, A we have. So we put this value in this, and we get similarly by this process we get this matrix. Now we have B, AB and A square B. Now we will put this value in equation 1. So after putting this value, QC becomes, this is B, this is AB, this is A square B. Now we'll find the determinant of this. When we start finding the determinant of this, we have plus minus plus. So A1, A2, this cancel, 0 into 0, 0, minus 1 into A2. This becomes minus A1, A2 square. It should not be equal to 0. So if either A1 or A2 becomes 0, the whole system will become 0. But the condition is it should not be equal to 0. Here matter only A1 or A2. A3 becomes 0 or not. Here A3 is not present, so it becomes 0. And to fulfill this condition, neither A1 nor A2 should be 0. So a1 is not equal to 0, a2 should not be equal to 0. So we will see the options. A1 not equal to 0, a2 not equal to 0, a3 not equal to 0, but a3 is not present, so a3 should be 0. So this will be not the option. a1 is equal to 0, nope, cancel. a1 is equal to 0, cancel. a1 is not equal to 0, a2 is not equal to 0, a3 is equal to 0. So this is the correct option. Now we will see another one example of this. Consider with system, a system is given like this. X, like our standard representation, x differential a, x, b, u. Here a and b is given. Then we find the controllability. We have a and b already, two variables. Then we will go to find the controllability is b, a, b. We have b, we have a. Firstly we will find a, b, 1001 pq. Solve this, we get pq. Here is the b, pq. We will find the controllability like q is equal to b, ab. We will put the value of b, pq, ab. We have already found that, p by q. When we try to solve this and find the determinant of qc, we get 0. Means determinant of qc becomes 0. It becomes uncontrollable. Now we will see another one example. Now here is the third example. State variable equation open LTI system is given by, if we have an equation in the equation form, question in the equation form, then how we can calculate it. Like this, we have an equation, we have to find or determine the controllability. So here x1, x2, we will write it according to the question. x1 dot x2, then minus 3, 2, we will write minus 3, 2. Second term is minus 1, here the missing of the second term means 0. x1, x2 obviously, plus second term in this equation is 1 into 0. The first is 1, second is missing means nothing will be there, means it is 0. We get this. Accordingly, y equal to x1 is multiplied with 1 means 1, 0, because C matrix is always a row matrix. X2 variable are there, so x1, x2 plus here is simply 1, then 1, 0, because it's always a column matrix. So to find the controllability we need only b and a. Here is the a, here is the b. We can find and determine the controllability by using only these two matrices. So here the state variable is only 2. So we will go to the point b, a, b, and it should not be equal to 0. We have b, we have a. Now firstly we will find what is, so firstly we will find a, b. Put the value of a, minus 3, 2, 1, minus 1, 0, b is 1, 0. Calculate this, we will get minus 3, 2. Find qc, we will put the value of b that is 1, 0, and ab that is minus 3 or 2. 2 minus 0, 2 means it is not equal to 0. So the system is controllable. So by using these methods we can easily find the controllability, and we will see how we can calculate observability. So these are very basic method, and these type of question asked in GATE examination many times. So it's very easy to find a system is controllable or not. Now we will find how we can calculate observability of the system. So it is determined by a matrix, test matrix Q naught. So what is the formula? Similarly, Q naught equal to C T AT CT AT to the power T CT dash AT and minus 1 CT. Here the T is the transpose. Now similarly, like controllability, if Q naught, determinant of Q naught is not equal to 0, it is observable, and if it becomes 0, it is unobservable. So we will see this and try to understand it with an example. Like if a question is given like this, a system given below, these are the system given below, determine observability. So to find the observability we need mostly two terms, A and C, because as we have seen in the formula CT, AT, CT, so we need only two matrices C and A. So by comparing with the standard equation we can find easily this is the A and this is the C. we get A, B and C. Easily we can find that. And if the equation form is given, we already learned that how we can make these equations in the standard form. So to find the observability, Q naught equal to CT, AT, CT. First equation, we assume this is a first equation. First we will see what is AT. AT transpose, how we can find a transpose? Rows becomes column and columns becomes row. So this is the first row, it becomes first column. Here is the first row, it becomes first column, -1 0 to -1 0. It is the second row, it becomes second column, 0 2 0 -2. Similarly CT is 1 2, row becomes column, then CT equal to 1 2. Now we will find AT CT. We will put the value of AT and value of CT. After calculation this we get -1 -4. So now we have AT CT and CT. Now we will put this value in Q naught. This is CT, this is AT CT. After putting this value and after try to determinant of this, we get 1 into -4 -4 minus plus 2 into 1 2 -2. This is not equal to 0. That means the system is controllable. So by using these method we can easily find the controllability and observability of the given system. In the upcoming video we will see eigenvalue and many more terms related to it. But this is the simplest way to understand how we can calculate controllability and observability, and what is the use of standard representation of a state variable method that is used in space state analysis. So thank you. If you like this video, please like, comment and share.